You may recall that issues reporting against individual tasks were covered in the previous tutorials as part of the reporting progress and issues. However, Flow also enables you to raise a new issue which does not necessarily relate to one of your tasks. To do this, select the Raise Issue button on the WorkPlan homepage. This will open a new dialog box in which you will be able to define the resource that the issue is being raised by. Select what it relates to in the drop-down box. For example, it could be a task, a particular area of the WBS, or the overall plan. Then select its type from the respective drop-down list. In the description section, add a brief description. Select the date it is reported on. Add an action to tackle the issue, and assign to a resource responsible for it. Then, define when the action is due on for them to close out by a certain date. The Notes section will leave a comment on the work plan itself. To view the issues log, click on Issues. This will take you to a page where you can view all the issues that have been raised and relate to your tasks. Here you can also close, amend, or delete an issue. See any details. What it is related to. When is the due date? By whom it has been raised. And who is responsible for closing out the action related to it. Once you are happy with your input, click on the Upload button at the right top corner, and this will make your changes visible to the wider team.